When preparing to live out of your car, choosing the right vehicle is crucial. The ideal car for living on the road should be reliable, spacious, and fuel efficient. Here are some factors to consider. Space. Larger vehicles like vans, SUVs, or even larger sedans are better suited for car living due to their increased interior space. You'll need room for sleeping, storing your belongings, and possibly even cooking. Fuel efficiency. Consider a vehicle with good gas mileage to reduce fuel costs, which will be a significant part of your budget. Reliability. Opt for a car known for its durability and low maintenance needs. Frequent repairs can be costly and disrupt your plans. Stealth factor. If you plan to park in urban areas, a vehicle that blends in, like a plain white van or an unassuming sedan, can help you avoid attracting unwanted attention. Some popular vehicle choices for car living include the Ford Transit, Mercedes Sprinter, Honda Element, and Toyota Sienna. Ultimately, the best car for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Essential modifications and supplies. Once you've chosen your vehicle, you'll need to make some modifications and gather supplies to make it livable. Here are some essential modifications and supplies to consider. Modifications: bed platform. Build or install a platform for a mattress to create a comfortable sleeping space. Storage solutions. Add bins, drawers, or built-in storage to keep your belongings organized. Ventilation. Install vent fans or window screens to ensure proper airflow and prevent condensation. Power solutions. Consider installing a solar panel system or using a portable power station to charge your devices and power small appliances. Curtains or shades. Use blackout curtains or window shades to ensure privacy and block out light. Insulation. Add insulation to your vehicle to keep it warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Supplies. Sleeping gear. A comfortable mattress, sleeping bag or blankets, and pillows. Cooking equipment. A portable stove, pots and pans, utensils, and a cooler or portable fridge for food storage. Hygiene supplies, wet wipes, a portable shower, a toiletry bag with essentials, and a portable toilet. Safety gear. A first aid kit, fire extinguisher, an emergency roadside kit. Clothing storage. Packing cubes or storage bins to keep your clothes organized. Tools. Basic tools for vehicle maintenance and repairs. Safety and privacy considerations. Living out of your car requires extra attention to safety and privacy. Here are some tips to help you stay safe and maintain your privacy. Safety parking. Always park in safe, well-lit areas. Look for places where overnight parking is allowed, such as certain rest stops, campgrounds, or Walmart parking lots. Security. Lock your doors and windows whenever you leave your vehicle. Consider installing an alarm system or using a steering wheel lock for added security. Personal safety. Keep a phone and a list of emergency contacts handy. Know the local emergency numbers and have a plan for how to get help if needed. Maintenance. Regularly check your vehicle's fluid levels, tire pressure, and overall condition to avoid breakdowns. Privacy. Window coverings. Use blackout curtains, window shades, or tinted windows to prevent people from seeing inside your vehicle. Discretion. Avoid drawing attention to yourself by keeping a low profile. Be mindful of noise levels and keep your vehicle clean and unassuming. Communication. Let trusted friends or family members know your location and check in with them regularly. By carefully choosing your vehicle, making essential modifications, and considering safety and privacy, you can create a comfortable and secure living space on the road. With the right preparation, living out of your car can be a rewarding and adventurous experience.